In this video, you'll learn how to set up paid appointments and meetings using Calendly. By following these steps, you will connect a payment provider, edit your event type, enable payments, and test the booking flow effectively. Begin by navigating to the left sidebar and clicking on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This section allows you to connect various payment providers that will facilitate transactions for your appointments. In the search box, input the name of the payment provider you wish to connect. You can choose from options like Stripe, which is recommended for its ease of use, or PayPal. Once you locate your preferred provider, click on it to proceed. After selecting the provider, click the button labeled Connect. This action will prompt you to log into your payment provider account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once this step is completed, your payment provider will be successfully connected, allowing you to add payments to your event types. Next, you will need to edit the event for which you want to charge attendees. Click on Scheduling in the sidebar, then navigate to Event Types. Here, locate the event you wish to modify and click the three dots, which indicate more options. Select Edit to access the event editor. Inside the event editor, look for the section titled Payments. You will need to toggle the option labeled Accept Payments to enable this feature. After activating payments, choose between Stripe or PayPal as your payment processor, then set the price for the appointment, select the currency, and determine the payment terms required for booking. You have a couple of options for payment terms. You can select a fixed price, which is the most common method, or opt to collect payment before confirmation, which is recommended to ensure commitment from attendees. After making your selections, be sure to save the changes to your event. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, it is important to test the booking flow. Navigate back to scheduling, then to event types. Click the three dots next to your event once again and select View Booking Page. This will open your booking interface. Proceed to book a test appointment. During this process, you will notice that payment is required before you can confirm the appointment. After completing the payment, a confirmation email will be sent to you verifying your booking. This step ensures that your setup is functional and ready for actual appointments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.